Hello and welcome to A Touch of Glam. I'm Leia and I'm so ecstatic to have you here. My channel is all about home renovations, room makeovers, decorate and clean with me, DIYs of all glam home inspirational ideas. If you are new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you here. And for my amazing glam family who's always been with me since the beginning, hello guys. I hope you're all having a blissful day. I am always so thankful and grateful for each one of you. Today's video is an updated patio makeover for our outdoor living space, and in helping us do that, we have collaborated with our friends from Mirador with their 111DA pergola in the size of 10 by 13 that they have sent us. This amazing adjustable weatherproof roof pergola that is made of full aluminum and is extremely maintenance free, that has double layered aluminum louvers, is a wonderful addition to our new patio space, making it convenient and easy for entertaining our guests or simply for us to enjoy in our outdoor dining area. This DIY pergola is unbelievably so easy to install and put together. It only took my husband and our son to install this pergola themselves without any help from anyone else, and they were able to finish it in no time, in less than a day. The simplicity of the assembly with the components that they provide fits together seamlessly without the need for specialized tools, and the step-by-step instructions and guides that they provide is super easy to follow along. The materials are all labeled and are lightweight enough to carry, while it is strong and durable overall build quality to put piece by piece. The craftsmanship of this pergola is designed to withstand any weather condition. The full aluminum with double layered aluminum louver, crafted with high quality aluminum, this Mirador pergola is built to withstand the test of time. With weatherproof double layered aluminum louver design, it creates an optimal environment by shielding our outdoor space from heavy rain and other harsh elements with increased sound dampening and heat blocking qualities. It is also great for shielding snow for my glam family that gets the winter season snow. This bioclimatic pergola is equipped with an easy to use crank system that allows you to effortlessly open and close the louvers from 0 degrees to 98 degrees, giving you a complete control over the amount of sunlight, ventilation, and shade as you can fully open and close the roof. Surprisingly, the louvers are also extremely easy to open and close without hard resistance that the rotating wand that they provide, which is extremely important and valuable to us in this hot Arizona weather. It has an integrated water drainage feature designed to efficiently and invisibly whisk water away. This innovative system prevents water from storing up on the roof and ensures a clean and dry environment for our outdoor space that is important to us in the monsoon season. We love how it looks and fits perfectly in our outdoor space and how clean and modern it looks in our backyard. Our only regret is that we would have known this pergola sooner so that we could have bought one to match with the other patio sitting space we have instead of the gazebo we bought that took so long for us to install. We also love that the color and design of the pergola is perfect in matching any patio sitting or dining set design. To make Mirador pergola part of your outdoor living space, and if you are also interested in this amazing innovative pergola, I will provide all of Mirador's info and links on the description box below, as well as discount code. Thank you Mirador for sponsoring today's video. Please continue watching till the end to see how we have cleaned and decorated this space and for the final reveal. Again, thank you so much for being here and for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video gives you ideas on how to create that cozy and inviting outdoor patio dining space with the ideas we shared with our new DIY pergola from Mirador. Don't forget to check Mirador's info on the description box below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. I would sincerely very much appreciate it. Again, I thank you for being here and I hope to see you on the next video. Till then, God bless you all abundantly. Bye!